Are you struggling to make your listings stand out? The secret to closing deals faster starts with creating an inviting atmosphere. And that's where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in. We're a proud, retired Army veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, specializing in transforming homes into buyer magnets. Our professional team knows that first impressions matter. A clean, organized space not only highlights your property's best features, but also helps potential buyers envision themselves living there. With our flexible, quick turnarounds, we ensure your listings are ready for showings on short notice. Trust us to make homes shine just in time for open houses or buyer visits. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Enhance your home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels warm and inviting. Let TidyTex take your listings to the next level. Ready to make a lasting impression? Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you sell homes quicker. Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email to get started. Your next sale is just a cleaning away. Let's make it happen.